Today's a collaboration between Chupa Chups and Sanrio. Hi, my name is AON and this is my baglove story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you another fun kawaii find. I found these items. They are a collaboration between the famous candy Chupa Chups company and Sanrio. And of course, I got it in my melody because it's color pink. And I'm very happy to share it with you. So the first thing I have here is a cake topper. This is a plastic figurine, very lightweight material. This is my melody. The cool thing about this figurine is that you can rotate the head so that you can pose it, can like that so that she looks like she's talking to someone. So nice. But then the material is not high quality. Some of the paints already started to chip off, but that's okay. This is still very cute, very nice. I'll also link it below in case you're interested in getting the same figurine or cake topper. So this is a collaboration between the famous lollipop or candy Chupa Chups and Sanrio. You can get these designs in different Sanrio items like Hello Kitty and also Kuromi and cinnamon roll, I think. But at this point, I decided to get my melody because she's in color pink. So this is the first item. This is a pouch, multi-purpose pouch. It is in PVC plastic. This so very cute item that can easily be cleaned. It comes with this very cute zipper pull. The logo of Chupa Chups. You haven't removed the plastic yet. Let's try to remove it first. There. So there, it's the logo of Chupa Chups and the zipper pull. Look at me thinking about you. So cute. And let's open. Very smooth, the zipper. The inside is just a plain plastic. It doesn't have any inner fabric lining, but that's okay. You can easily clean it as well. It is very nice. Your makeup, if you have a lot of your makeup or toiletries, this would be a very nice pouch to use. This is very cute. This is very kawaii, and I'm happy I got it in this color. Very pretty. Now I want to show you first what I have inside my Chupa Chups tote bag before I show you the details. So now let's open what I have inside my bag. So this bag is a tote bag, the collaboration between Chupa Chups and Sanrio. So this is the tag. Show you the tag. So this is like a genuine sticker. So first let's open what I have inside my bag. Such a pretty color. I'm loving this color. These are some of my Melody bag essentials. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll be linking it the video up here. The first thing I have here is this one. This is a hand sanitizer from Kids in Mind in flavor grape. And I have placed my mini keychain. I have here. This is a very cute pouch. This is a multi-purpose pouch from Q Uncle. It can be used as a wallet, as to place your earphones or your jewelries or your mini essentials. But now I have this is my earbuds from Bavin in color pink. So pretty. I'm using an Android phone, so this can work for my phone. Then I have here my wallet, pink holographic wallet from, this is the brand. I really love this, and I think it is perfect for my melody, this wallet. It's a very pretty wallet. And I can put my ID here, but I did not, but I will not need to cover it. So the inside is a zippered area for your coins and cash. Next, I have here, this is one of my mini pochette, my melody mini pochette. And this is also from Q Uncle. This is a jelly pouch for kids, but I use it to house some of my essentials. So I have here perfume. I have here a band-aid and thin thermometer. I have here, this is my holographic pouch that I'm using as my tissue case. And then I have here my melody mirror with glitters. And then I have here, this is from Sugar Dolls, from the Gloss Boss, and the color is diamond. I have here some antacids. And I have here, this is a comb, can be folded. And then I have here my Lucas Papaw. So that's inside my mini pouch. So I still have some more. I have here my Melody key holder. You can use this hook to hook on your bags. And then I have here a notebook. Haven't used it yet. This is a gift from my son. So pretty. And I have here a pouch. This is to house, I think this is jewelry case for my Melody, but now I have here some of my other essentials. So I have here, this is my tape measure. And then I have a tic tac, a pin for my SIM, of course my Angel Raphael medallion, some emergency medicines, and some extra plastic bags for trash. And I still have more things, a few more things. I have here my phone case. And I also have this pouch, my Melody pouch. I currently have some panty liners right here. And in this pouch, I place my used masks. On this pocket, it has one pocket. I have some pens. This is for stylus, a highlighter, and another pen. You can see this highlighter. This is so cute. It's a heart. So pretty. The last thing inside my bag is a chocolate. This is from Mr. Beast Bar. This is Feastables milk chocolate. I heard this is one of the best flavors. And this is a gift from my sister who lives in the USA. And since I am a chocolate lover, she gave me this famous chocolate bar. The packaging is really pretty. I really loved it. So beautiful. So that is inside my bag. I currently just placed this leather piece at the bottom because it is very soft to give it some structure on the bottom. So this is just a small tote, so pretty tote. So this is their tag. Chupa Chups official licensee, Perfetti Van Mil 2023. So this is a licensed item. This is from the company, from the collaboration of Chupa Chups and Sanrio. I'll quickly show you the measurements of this tote bag. So let's measure the bag first. 30 cm. The height is 23 cm. The depth is 10 cm or 10.5 to be exact. So this is just a small tote bag and it's very cute. It is very, very cute, very girly and very kawaii. And I'm glad I found it and I'm happy and excited to use it. And the material is like a fabric, thick fabric, very cute piece. And also this pouch from Chupa Chups and Sanrio My Melody. So if you love beautiful yet affordable bags, be it simple and classy, glamorous pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time. Ha! Sorry. Sorry, my Melody.